Good afternoon, I'm Dr. Brian Gillis, sharing a story in the day of the life. A patient recently gave me this. It's kind of cool. It's a tree, but it looks like a horse's hoof. So I'll put that down over here. All right. So I was working the other day, and I had a really busy list of patients and a tight time that was compressed to see the patients. And normally before I talk to a patient, I'll review their record and I'll go in and I'll talk to them. Now in the course of my career, I've probably seen well over 20,000 patient encounters. And sometimes it's a little bit hard to remember exactly who somebody is or what their story is. And in the essence of time, the nurse said, "Do you mind consenting this patient?" before I had a chance to review the record. So I went in and I talked to the patient and I started to review with the patient her history. And I could tell immediately that she was surprised that I didn't remember her specific process. And so I went ahead with the history and got her information. And as I asked her about her past medical history, she said, 9 years ago I was diagnosed with colon cancer. And I said, well, you're here today to get screened to make sure that there's no reoccurrence of polyps or cancer, and we'll take good care of you. And we finished doing the consent. And I could tell she was still pretty irritated, but I couldn't really remember her story. So I noticed over in the corner of the room that her grandson was there, and he happened to be 9 years old. So I brought him over there beside her, and I said, "What's this little man's name?" And she told me, and I said, grab your grandma's hand. I said, 9 years ago, things might have been uncertain, but today, you've got to spend 9 years with the little guy, and he's got to spend 9 years with you. And I looked up in the air, and I said, in the big picture, these are the things that are really important. So the next time you get frustrated with your healthcare provider, remember they're only human, they're doing the best they can do, and keep your eye on the prize, and that's staying healthy. To everybody out there, I want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving, and do the best and healthiest life. Dr. Gillis.